What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from T-Sportline. Check out this car we just finished a color change on. This customer came to us with a white Model Y Juniper fresh off the Tesla lot and said that they needed some color in their life. Customer decided on this beautiful gloss Aquamarine PPF by TMaxx films. This is a PPF film, not just a vinyl wrap, so it has self-healing properties. Any nicks or scratches you may accumulate on the road will be self-healed by leaving the car out in the sunlight. Again, this is a PPF film, so it will last far longer than your typical 2 years of vinyl wraps. This PPF is good for up to 10 years. Here at Sportline, we go above and beyond when it comes to wrapping. We remove panels and bumpers, mirrors, window trim. We go the whole 9 yards to ensure you get the perfect tucked rolled edges with no lifting, no bubbling on your wrap job. If you like what you see, check us out at tsportline.com. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.